Well, hello, school counselors and school counselors to be. Thank you guys so much for coming to my channel, The Inspiring School Counselor. And today I'm going to show you the items that I received from Amazon that I brought for the kids for the school store. And the kids absolutely love it. And I actually really love doing it for them just to see their faces light up. And when they see me down the hallway, Miss Bird, is a school store coming today? Like, it's just so cute. So I was able to get those items in today because it is definitely time to restock, and I'll show you guys what that's going to look like here in a few. So let's not prolong the time. Let's go ahead and get into it. I hope you guys enjoy. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. All right, let's get into it. Hey you guys, so here are the items right here. I have this small box, and then I have, you guys probably can't tell, but this big box at the bottom. So let's go ahead and get into these goodies that I have for the kids. So this is a light up party favors like watch spinner. When I seen this, I thought the kids would love this in the school store. So I can't wait to open this up. So it comes with 2 bags of these watches. I don't remember how many comes in a pack. If I find that out, I'll go ahead and put that up on the screen. Let me take one out for you guys. This is what it looks like. So you have it where you can snap it on their wrist. Let's see, my wrist is probably too big for this. So I can put it on, and I love that you can spin that. It has like little jewels and stuff that's on there, so that's pretty cool. And it's supposed to light up. So let me see. Oh, here goes the button at the bottom. I'm gonna turn off the lights. So let's do this. Oh, pretty cool. So you guys see that? Let's see what this next. I think it has different settings, and it does. It has different settings on it. Pretty cool. That goes in and out, and you can spin it. So that actually has a couple settings on it. So I think the kids, like I said, are absolutely gonna love this. And I love that it comes in different colors. It looks like green, yellow, blue, and pink. You guys, I was trying to buy stuff that I think that the kids, at least the ages that I'm working with, would like. And I also was able to get some suggestions from them just by asking them when I had lunch duty, and also even when I was teaching class, I would get suggestions from them. All right, so these are glasses, and it looks like they have red, pink, green, purple, and maybe clear in there. If I remember correctly, these glasses are supposed to light up as well. Look at these. Cute. Oh, let me take this out. Cool. So you guys are able to see that. This might have different settings on it, so they don't have different settings. So that's cool glasses for the kids. So now let's open up this big box. This has a lot of stuff in here. I'll have fun popping all of this later. All right. So I bought some of these. Now these they're called Wacky Tracks. I noticed that a lot of the kids, they know about the fidget toys, and I look at this, I think this is one of the fidget toys, but the kids love these things. So basically you can just take them and you can turn them the way that you want. They also can break apart and you can put them back together again. Sorry if you guys can't see my face, but this is just a really cool little toy that I thought would be good to give the kids. They absolutely love these. I already sold. I only had like 2 of them, and those were one of the things that was gone. So I decided to buy a lot more of these, and it looks like 6 come in a pack. And now the other ones that I had, they were a lot longer, but I love that these are smaller. So it's just a fun little toy. And to me, oddly, this sounds satisfying for some reason. And they do make a little bit of noise, but I love that they can move it around. They can unhook it. They can do different things with that. So now we have our whistles. Let me tell you guys, these kids have been asking about these whistles. So I'm so glad that I finally got them in. I would take one out, but it looks like they have them good and secure on these little plastic things. So I'm gonna leave it on there. The next thing that I thought would be pretty cool to get was these recorders for the kids. I think that they're gonna love these. And I think they give you 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, they give you 12 of these. I'll take one of them out. And this is what it looks like. And I love that they have different colors for the kids to choose whichever one. So I am excited about that. I did have expo markers and like highlighters, but those are like your basic type of school supplies, which is totally fine. But I wanted to add like a little twist to the markers and like choose scented ones. And I think that the kids would really love to go for these. So they give you 22 scented markers. And yes, I only bought 1 pack of these, but they have different scents. So they have like orange, pineapple, shooting star, banana, buttering popcorn, apple, blue slushy. So I really love that all of these are good smelling markers and they don't have any bad smells in them. So I think the kids are gonna love this. All right, so I bought some more spinning top. And what I love too about these is that these also light up. So let's take them out and see. So they give you 100 of these. Let me see if I can y'all see it light up a little bit over there? There you go. So you guys were able to see that a little bit, but the harder you spin it, the more that it will light up. So I think that would be pretty cool for the kids. And they gave me 100 of those. The next thing that I ordered was these sewn mesh squeeze balls. The kids love these as well. They were actually wanting me to get some more of these. So as you guys know, I had to deliver for the babies. So I decided to order some more. Let's open it. Yeah, and they're huge. The ones that I had were a lot smaller. When you squeeze this, little balls are supposed to come through the net. So the kids love these for some reason. Every time I look at them, I think of frogs. I don't know why, but that's just what comes to my mind. So I actually brought 2 cases of these. And 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 12 in each case. I have some more whistles here. I could probably just take one out. More whistles. This came with 12. I don't know why I have more whistles. So I think I ordered this on accident, but it's okay. More whistles. Oh, these are cute. So these are little cars, and these don't light up, I don't think. These are little cars for the kids. So I bought a lot of those. I don't remember how many comes in a bag, but it's quite a few, so I think the kids are gonna like this too. Then I brought 2 packs of these. These are pencils, but they're supposed to be flexible. Supposed to be able to take them, bend them, twist them, and still be able to write with them. They were also able to buy pencils out of the school store, but I just wanted, once again, instead of getting your average pencil, I wanted to get a pencil that had like a little twist to it, literally, you know. So I think that the kids are gonna love these. So these are spy pens. Obviously they come in different colors, as you guys see. So they're supposed to be able to write on a piece of paper and then shine the light on where they wrote, and it's supposed to appear. So when they write on it, it's supposed to show up. You know, nothing's supposed to show up, but once they put the light on it, it's supposed to appear whatever it is that they wrote. So I think the kids are gonna love this. This is one of the things that the kids did ask for too. So I can't wait to show them this. And the last thing is this big party favor toy assortment. So this has all kinds of different toys in here. These are going to be the items that's going to be cheaper. I'm going to show you guys the different toys that's in here. So there you have it. So what I'm getting ready to do is I'm going to remove all those items off the shelves, and I'm going to put them onto my cart so that whenever it is time for me to go to the different classrooms, those items will be on there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I thank you guys so much for your time. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.